What's going on, guys? Here I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on your Toyota RAV4. So first thing we're going to do is turn off the car, and if you have push to start, press it. Once the car is off, we're going to turn it to its accessory phase. So for the push to start cars, push it twice, and for the keys, you push it right before the car starts on. So once you're at this screen, we're going to press the back button here on the steering wheel. Press that once. We're going to scroll over to the gear icon, and on the gear icon, we're going to scroll down, go to vehicle settings, make sure it's not settings, it's vehicle settings, press and hold OK. And here you can reset your tire pressure light as well as scheduled maintenance. Go to scheduled maintenance, go ahead, press and hold that OK, hit reset data, use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to go up, yes, reset complete. Go ahead, start the car up, and you'll notice the light is off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tried to make this video as quick as possible. If you did appreciate that, leave me a comment, leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for car videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.